Cute. I have a Nyla Symone beauty bar back. Bulls, okay. Hey y'all, so today is Sunday and I came back from the Airbnb. I know I really suck at vlogging. Last night we really did kind of enjoy ourselves and we kind of did have like fun. Then today I had dropped off my friend, then I came home, my grandparents picked up my car, and now what I'm finna go do is go pick up my stuff from Staples. I ordered some business cards. I'm going to pick them up, and I'm also going to stop by the bank, and I'm also going to pick up some postcards because for my vendor event I really want to go all out. Like I really want this shit to be like hard. And if I didn't tell you guys, homecoming is next week. So yes y'all, homecoming is next week. Whoop whoop. So I just wanted to, that's why I'm having a vendor table. And so I definitely want to remember to vlog during homecoming. But I definitely can't promise you that I'm going to vlog during homecoming. But I also definitely want to vlog for my vendor event. So I'm going to ask my friend, can he help me vlog? But yeah, so now I'm going to go to Staples and get my business cards. And I'm probably just going to come back home. But yeah, I'm going to catch y'all when I get to Staples. So I'll see y'all later. My mom's freaking car is like a freaking fishbowl. Like this lady needs to get 10 on her car because it's not cute being in a fishbowl, okay? Period. Bye. Hey, y'all. So, I'm in here getting stuff. I feel like people looking at me. So, I'm in here getting... I got these labels. These are going to go on my shopping bags. I got these labels. These are going to go on my shopping bags. But now, I need postcards. Because to only get 25 postcards here is $30. That's why I said I was going to probably turn my postcards, my thank you cards, into probably business cards, because that's like really cheaper and you get more. But business cards are so freaking small, so it really doesn't look like a thank you card, but I feel like it's good enough. So yeah, I might do that. I might turn my business cards into thank you cards. So I'm probably going to put in another thing of business cards and have my thank you cards as business cards for right now, because this is just too expensive. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna improvise and we're gonna switch it up, and we're gonna do what everybody doesn't do. So I'm gonna do business cards and thank you cards, but they're all gonna be business cards, so I can save more money and get more for my buck instead of paying $50 on that shit. So yeah, I bought business cards, and like I told you guys in Staples, if you guys don't remember, I said that I want to have business cards and I want to have thank you cards for my packaging, just for Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, and for my packaging for the vendors thing. So I picked up business cards, and I'm going to pick up the thank you cards tomorrow as well. So I think I got 250 of the business cards, and these are just what they look like. I got the wrong side glossy, so I'm gonna have to take the L on that one. But it just says Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, so it looks like my regular front of my regular Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, but then I have diamond trimming on it. So if you guys can see the diamond trimming, you see like the diamond trimming, and it says start your beauty experience now. It says my Instagram and then my website, Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, nylasymonebeautybar.com. So I got 250 of these, and these are gonna go in the bags. So these are what the bags look like. I got these bags from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is really good for your business. Everything is literally $1 there. Like Dollar General, Family Dollar, stuff really don't be $1 there. But Dollar Tree, everything is literally $1. So I got 2 of these. I got some of these. I got about 12 of these. It's 2 that come in a pack of these, and it's 3 that come in a pack of these. So I think I got like 15. And the black ones are for like my lip scrubs, for my lip scrubs, my lip glosses, my lashes, and I think I can fit a Versa bucket in here. And then for these are for the headbands, because as you guys know, I'm going to be selling headbands soon. So fuzzy headbands, these are for them. And so I already got tissue paper and everything like that for the gift bags. It's going to be white tissue paper, and I'm going to pre-make the gift bags. So the gift bags are going to be pre-made while they're sitting up on the table, and then when the customer wants something, I'm just going to, you know, put it in there and then, you know, call that. That's the same way for these right here. It's just going to be sticked in there, and it's going to be able to go off to them as well. in Staples, I was looking for stickers to put on the bags. I never found exactly the sticker that I wanted. I wanted kind of like a rectangle sticker, but I got circle stickers, so that is the stickers that I got right here. I also have my own packaging tape. So my mom told me for the packaging tape that I can literally just cut out Nyla Symone Beauty Bar and then put it on here, and it can stand out. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. If I don't like the sticker, like it's gonna be a good size, especially on the smaller bags. But for the bigger bags, it's definitely gonna be really small. So this is probably the bag that I'm gonna put the packaging tape, the duct tape that I have on this bag. So as in for the packaging of the bags, like I told you guys, the tissue paper is gonna be in there, and then the I'll just be able to slide the headband in there, put the business card, put the thank you card in there, and then I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of paper shreds, and then it's just definitely cute. You give it to your customer, they enjoy themselves, they're happy with the packaging, they see me do that all there. I don't know why I got these gems. I'm trying to like decorate the table. I was gonna get gems or like jewels, just trying to make the table more like decorative, to make you want to come over there. I also need to grab a headband, like I don't know, like kind of like a mannequin head, but I also don't want the mannequin head to be ugly, because I want to actually like, I want to display the headbands, but I don't know how to display the headbands without like I don't want a styrofoam mannequin head, and I'm not going to spend so much money on a mannequin head. So I don't know how I'm going to do that one right there. But yeah, y'all, that's basically everything I got today. I'm going to put in my order for my thank you cards. So yeah, and I feel like nobody is going to be thinking like me, but I don't know. I'm not prepared for what I got to see. I'm not prepared for everybody's business. I'm just prepared for mine. So this is my idea for it. I definitely want to vlog for you guys, to show you guys how my vendor experience is. I've never had a vendor table anywhere. Like I've never set up shop type junk. So I'm really excited, because I definitely want to set up shop. Everything that I'm going to be having at the vendor table, I'm going to be having 12 headbands, 4 different styles, 3 in each color. So I just bought these headbands. I'm just testing them out. This is gonna be my first time seeing them. This is gonna be my first time selling them that day that I get them. So I'm just trying them out. Lesson of today is basically that you can find a lot of stuff for your business at Dollar Tree. You do not have to go to these big places to find stuff for your business. Literally, Dollar Tree has a lot of good stuff. It's literally not a hit or miss. Walmart is good too. I definitely never say go to Target for business, because the Target's gonna tax you every time you walk in there. But definitely you can find a lot of stuff offline, in person, touch, feel, and everything like that for your business. So I made a white one and I made a black one. The black one was gonna go on the blue bag, and the white one is gonna go on the black bag, because I just feel like it's gonna look real awkward if it's not like that. The front side goes down, and I put that in there. You guys, oh my god, it freaking did it, y'all. Do y'all see that? This is so cute. Oh my god, yo. Okay, all right, y'all. So it did it. It freaking printed out the freaking labels. Okay, period. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be clear. It's okay. I'm actually not mad at it. I'm gonna put it in the middle, and there you guys go. You have a Nyla Symone Beauty Bar bag. If y'all can't see it, I'm gonna show y'all how to see it. Okay, babes? So this is the bag, the stickers. Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, Nyla Symone Beauty Bar. You have the white tissue paper seeping out. I also have silver tissue paper, so it's gonna be white and silver seeping out. You have your goodies in here, and you're just cruising. Like, you're just walking, and everybody's seeing that you got something from this girl. And who's this girl? This is her brand right here. Look me up on Instagram, Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, period. That's something that's hot. Like that's that. Like that's just hard. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited about this now. Like this is really exciting. I'm happy about this now. So I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna make one in black though. So this is the black and this is the white. This is so cute. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. We hit 1,000 subscribers. I did not even say that this whole entire vlog. We hit 1,000 subscribers on August 6th. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so that we can go up. I definitely going to be having a subscriber giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. You have to be subscribed to my channel to get into the giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, you're not getting in. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys follow me on my social medias. Make sure you guys support Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, because I'm helping y'all with the tips. I'm learning and y'all are learning, and we're learning together. Honestly, I'm not gonna get customized gift bags yet, but I definitely can make some at home, so that's what I just did. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'll probably catch y'all tomorrow when I wake up, and yeah, and when I go pick up the stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow.